Okay, so what I made out of Lego here is called the Lego Puzzle Box. It's pretty confusing. Mine is called the Factory, because it sort of looks like a factory with the chimneys here and then the factory part. You have the front side, which is just this for decoration. Back, which you're not allowed to touch the red part until you complete the first half of the puzzle box. Then you have this, so it looks normal. When you shake it, you can hear that. So what you do is you break off this piece right here, the chimneys. You go underneath, and this middle piece right here, you put this in, press, and that pops open. Then you, take this part out, which is just a little cube. Then you go over it. So that's the first half of the box, the brown part. Then I unlock the second part, so I'm allowed to use it. So I take this, go into this dark red part here, press down, and on the other side this little gray piece pops up. And inside of it is your two little prizes, which are two little red pieces of Lego. So then to reset it, you just drop these in. Oh, that was close. Sorry. You just drop this in. Then you put this down. This part falls out. You take this, put it in here. This part's sort of hard to get. You get it in, press this down so you can't really tell. Break off this part and put it right back, and that's pretty much it. My Lego puzzle box. It's pretty cool, I think.